Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it can be to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your Phantom wallet to Crypto.com. This full guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're looking to swap tokens for trading or just managing your portfolio, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Phantom wallet and a Crypto.com account set up. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app from your App Store and create or log into your Crypto.com account. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet on your mobile device or browser extension. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if you're moving SOL or ETH, tap on it to view your balance. Next, head over to your Crypto.com app. Go to the Accounts section and select the wallet where you want to receive the funds. Copy the wallet address by tapping the copy icon. Be extra careful here, as pasting the wrong address could send your crypto into the void. Now, back in Phantom, hit the Send button for your selected asset. Paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary based on how fast you want the transfer to go. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Once you're good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain shortly. Phantom uses networks like Solana, so keep an eye on that. And just like that, your transfer is on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives in your Crypto.com account, you can start trading or staking right away. If you run into any issues, Crypto.com has great support resources. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video.